Zakes channel in the building. If you're new to the channel, you know what to do, man. Go like, comment, subscribe, click the bell notification icon and all that nice stuff and stuff. If you want to see more vlogs from the boy. Okay, today is what? Friday, ne? I'm not drunk, I'm driving. But yeah, I just got a text from my boy, Nas100 Zakes. He's at Rocket, you feel me? I was chilling at Barcode in Hedgefield. Hit me up. I sent a shout out to him. He hit me up. He said, no, come through to Rocket, you feel me? So on the way now, we're driving to Mainland Rocket. You're gonna see Nas100 Zakes. You're gonna see the vibes. If you've been a subscriber to the channel, you know it's not a new face. It's been in the channel before and stuff like that. So yeah, we're gonna go see what they got going on and stuff. And yeah, I feel like I'm talking too much because I'm in a different type of vibe right now. You feel me? We still away. I got my little brother with me. I don't know if you guys see my little brother on my channel.
Otherwise,
Prince.
we're cruising.
Yeah. It's Prince's first appearance in the channel. Show some love to him in the comment section. You're going to see more of him also. You understand? You're going to see more of him. We might do some stuff with Prince also. You know what I'm saying? As far as the forex stuff goes and stuff like that. You never know what's going to happen, man. I know what's going to happen, but I can't tell you. You never know. I can't let you guys know what's up. You feel me? So yeah, I'm gonna hit you up when it gets to Rockets. So we're at Rockets now. Well, we're not in Rockets. We're at Times Square. Thanks, my G. Appreciate it, my G. We're gonna go check on our boy. Nas100. I haven't seen that nigga in a long time, G.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Haven't seen that nigga in a long time, G. So yeah, we're still going up now and stuff like that and whatever. I mean, we're pushing peace. Pushing peace in the building. There's a fucking sound, even though we're talking and stuff. Yeah. Is that what
Yo, my head.
Great, fuck. What do you insecure about your hair and feet?
No, it has to be perfect, I guess.
Yeah, That's why he's dead. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. What are you saying now? Ancient Magician version 1.0. Which one is this one now? Come inside. Come inside. What are you saying now? I did.
A few moments later.
Ladies and gentlemen,